Hello guys! So today we are gonna be doing a major swatch party. The Get Ready With Me Cosmetics na mga satin cream blushes. I think hindi ko sila napakilala sa inyo formally. So currently we have 15 shades that can match different skin tones and different undertones as well. So i-categorize lang natin siya. So we have the bright and popping colors. And then we have yung may mga reds, pinks, and then meron tayong mga nude shades. And by the way, we have an ongoing bundle deal na you can get any shade ng ating satin cream blush or multi-use complexion cream and you will get a case. So each insert costs 249 pesos and then yung case naman is 199, but you can get together again the mini case, whether gold or rose gold, for only 249 pesos. So hindi lang yung mga cream blushes yung pwede nyo ilagay dito. If you want eyeshadow yung ilagay or dalawang eyeshadow tapos color correcting cream, so it's up to you. Really customizable. So until supplies last only guys, yung allocated stock natin for this bundle. So again, 249 pesos, may case, and one satin cream blush. By the way, the satin cream blush is 5 grams. So madami siya, and it's quite pigmented, so matagal nyo siyang magagamit, plus it's also long-lasting. Actually, lagi ko sinasabi to sa mga previous video ko na if papipiliin ako between mochi blush or satin cream blushes, is mas bet ko yung satin cream blushes. Both are long-lasting naman, pero it's just that gusto ko kasi medyo may konting glow yung blush ko. Pero the thing is, kahit na may konting glow yung blush, it will really stay. Kahit basahin nyo yung reviews ng product na to sa Orange, Blue, or dito sa TikTok shop, pare-pare sila ng feedback na it's really long-lasting. So when you receive the product is, i-assemble nyo siya. So ilalagay nyo yung cream blush dito. So to set your expectation guys, again, this is a satin cream blush. So, yung first layer, kapag bago pa yung product, mapapansin nyo, para siyang may thin film. So, make sure to scrape that first. Tanggalin nyo muna siya. Like, you can swirl, and then remove, and then tsaka nyo siya ulit i-swatch. So, this other shade, Grapefruit, ito yung palagi kong ginagamit na shade. So, ito lang siya yung kapag first time. Just a tip with any cream or liquid product para ma-prolong nyo yung lifespan nila. So, syempre, gumagamit tayo ng mga brush, etc. So, from time to time, always sanitize or clean the area with just, you know, tissue lang naman. Para lang ma-scrape off natin yung top part. Very compact. Pwede nyo dalhin everywhere pang touch up or anywhere. Pwede nyo nito gamitin sa lips, pero take note na medyo may pagka-dewy siya. Let's watch first yung mga 6 na mga muted or desaturated na satin cream blushes. So, ito yung sa desaturated na category natin. So, we have I Love You, we have Crush, Grapefruit, Rose Milk, Confetti, and Toffee Nut. So I would recommend this shade range for people who has fair hanggang medium skin tone. Some colors here can still work, like si Grapefruit, it works on me. Pero definitely don't expect na each and every single shade dito mag-work sa inyo. Kasi syempre, depende pa rin yan sa skin tone natin, no? So it's up to you, pero just to set your expectation, again, there are colors here na hindi siya kukulay. Even sa akin, hindi siya kukulay because those shades are meant for people with lighter skin tone. There are other shades naman that can be very overwhelming for fair and light skin tone kasi they are made for people who has medium to deep skin tone. So again, para clear lang and transparent sa inyo. My favorite shade here is si Grapefruit. As in, sobrang ganda niya. Tapos papatungan mo siya nung Sola na baked blush. It's very pretty. So the first shade that we have is I Love You. So ito yung pick up niya sa brush. Pwede mo pandagdagan, lalo na kung light yung color para mag-show up siya sa skin tone mo. So, tapos ang maganda dito guys is hindi niya i-disrupt yung base mo. Nagamit ko na to with and without base and it works both. Next shade that we will try is Crush. I'm not expecting this na kumulay siya sa cheeks ko because this is a very light shade. But if someone with fair skin tone will use this color, it's gonna look really, really pretty, like a coquette pink. Nagbigay lang siya ng brightening effect. You can actually use this as a base of your blush for people with medium to tan skin tone. The next shade that we will try is Grapefruit. And then we have here Rose Milk. The next shade that we have is Confetti. Next that we have is Toffee Nut. Actually, Toffee Nut is like a bronzer, a blush bronzer combo. So again, these are all the 6 shades. So as I'm removing it, you can see nag-iiwan din siya ng stain. Now, let's proceed with the 6 medium blushes. So, these blushes actually can still work for people with fair to light skin tone, pero use a little bit of pigment lang kasi this is quite pigmented. This one is actually a mochi blush, which is Breakfast in Bed, our #1 best-selling. So, sinama ko lang siya dito para hindi siya bungi. This is Happy Peel. Of course, we have a Pablo's Latte, Popsicle, Taffy, and also Juice. Again, if first time nyo siyang gagamitin, you will really feel na parang ang dewy niya. Pero actually, just remove yung topmost layer na film lang niya and it will be okay. So ako actually, I like to dab on tissue to really get the most of that film. And we have Happy Peel, Pablo's Latte, Popsicle, Taffy, Juice, and Breakfast in Bed na Mochi Blush. So like I mentioned earlier, these are quite pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna get a little lang. And then we also have here Pablo's Latte. Next shade that we'll try is Popsicle. Then we have here Taffy. The last shade that we have is Juice. Happy Peel, Pablo's Latte, Popsicle, Taffy, Juice, and then Mochi Blush to. Okay, so now let's try to remove it. And as you can see, nag-iiwan siya ng stain. Now, let's now proceed with the 4 brighter shades. And I know it can be overwhelming to see these colors. But don't worry guys, kasi yung color na nandyan, hindi naman yung mismong na yan yung nasa cheeks nyo. Siyempre, magbabago pa yan depending on your undertone and on your skin tone. So, color theory really plays a vital role in terms of choosing yung mga shades. Hindi naman na ikukulong mo yung sarili mo sa result ng color analysis mo. Siyempre, you can definitely explore. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just that kapag alam mo kung ano yung color analysis mo or yung undertone mo, yung season mo, mas madaling pumili ng mga shades na possible na bumagay sa'yo. We have Birthday Cake, Papaya, Ubebe, and Poppy. So, since bago yung tatlo, tinanggal ko na yung film nila. So, again, we have Birthday Cake, Papaya, Ubebe, and Poppy. These colors can look really intimidating at first, but let me show you how you can use it. We're gonna swatch Birthday Cake. You can see how it really brightened my cheeks. Super love ko si Birthday Cake. It's a really beautiful shade. So, I have to change my brush kasi nag-stick na talaga yung color doon. So, I'm just gonna use a different brush. So, you can use this for foundation or you can use this for your cream products like blushes, etc. So, next, I'm gonna swatch Papaya. And now, onto the shade that I know excited kayo. This is the shade Ubebe. Mukha siyang overwhelming. Mukha siyang ube halaya talaga. But wait till you swatch it kasi this one has pink tone. Hindi siya masyadong cool tone na purple blush. Because again, that will look ashy, especially for people with medium to deeper skin tone. It has a bit of a pink tone. Again, this is Ubebe. And this is Papaya. Now we are down to the last shade, which is a red shade, and it's actually one of my favorite shade families out there. Kasi trust me guys, for medium to deeper skin tone, yung mga red shade really gives that natural flush shade. So, a little bit lang guys, kasi again, so when I apply red blushes, make sure talaga na konti lang. I-build up nyo na lang siya later. So, nilagay ko yung excess dito. Para lang ako nainitan, kaya lumabas yung flush of color na to. Kasi yung blood natin, diba, is red also. Ayan, ang ganda talaga ng red, promise. So, I'm gonna use makeup wipe. As you can see, nag-iiwan talaga siya ng stain. So, ayan guys, na-swatch na natin lahat ng colors. I'm definitely gonna make a summary nung mga swatches para yun na lang yung babalikan nyo. Hindi nyo na kailangan isa-isahin tong mahabang video natin. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!